know, uh, write down 180 degree equals to pi radian, right? 1 degree equals to pi radian by 180. Perhaps we know it, right? Then 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. We know 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. We know this all, right? That means, dear students, you see, 75 degree 30 minute, it can be written as 75 degree plus 30 by 60 degrees. Can you write down? Because we know 60 minute is, you have to take out calculator today. 60 minute equals to 1 degree. Perhaps many of you can think why and how it is plus sign. You see, 5.5 can be written 5 plus half, right? If you get 11 by 2, if you get the LCM here, you'll also get 11 by 2. So here we get 75 degree plus, if we go for cancelling, we'll get 0.5 degree, right? That means 75.5 degree. 1 degree equals to what? Pi radian by 180. 75.5 into pi radian by 180. You have to give the side note here. That is 1 degree is equal to pi radian by 180. Now, what is the value of pi? In your book, the higher mathematics book, also for general mathematics book, the value of pi is 3.1416 by 180. Now, you all are required to use the calculator and let me know the value. Dear students, I have not got your answer. It is equals to what? Let me know. Hello everybody, are you there? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So just let me know what is the value. Okay, don't you
One point.
calculator? Don't you calculator with you?
The
Huh?
1.3177.
It is very hard rendering, okay? Approximately. Is it okay to all? Number 2. 55 degree, 54 minute, 53 second. Without calculator, it is impossible. So if you don't have calculator, so I think we should, omit the class today. It is 100% impossible to do this math without the help of calculator. But you, the students, have tendency not to have calculator with you, or not to keep calculator with you. You see, this is 55 degree. In this way, you have to write 54 minute, 53 seconds. Do it. Now, 55 degree, 54 minute. What will you do? 53 by 60 minute. Because 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Have you got me? But if we calculate it, the value you will get, it is, too much, okay? So what will you do? Better not to convert here into decimal. So it is the best way to write down like this, 54 and, okay, I am going to make it very easy. 54 plus 53 by 60 minute. As I told you earlier. Yeah. Okay. Is it okay? As I told you earlier, 1 plus 1 by 3. Okay, this type of. This is minute, okay? In this way. So it is on by 3. So I have taken in this way. Anyway, it can be done again. You see, I am going to do it in another way. It can be done it in this way. 55 degree plus, you see here, we can write, this is 60, okay? And it is 54 plus, we can write here 53 by 60. I am not going to do any calculation. It is degree. What is there has been divided by 60. Okay. That is, we can write here 60 minute equals to 1 degree. Please try to understand. That means here we can write down 55 plus the same thing, 54 plus 53 by 60 by 60 wholly and fully degree. Now you have to multiply it with by pi radian by 180. That means we can write here 55 plus, actually I'm not going to do any calculation, okay? I'll calculate at last. 54 plus 53 by 60 divided by 60. 1 degree equals to what? Pi radian by 180. Pi radian by 180. Now you calculate using pi as by 3.1416 and let me know the result. You put pi equals to 3.1416. How you will calculate? You see.
Sir, is the number not more complex?
In this way?
Yes, it's like
Okay, very good. You can do it by yourself, not a matter. You can convert it into decimal. Okay, I will never mind. Okay, you can convert it into decimal. Then I will show it for the next math. I will show you. Now you see, you calculate. What will you do? Write down 53 divided by 60 in this way. You have to calculate 53 divided by 60 equals to plus 54 equals to divided by 60 equals to plus 55. Okay, equals to into 3.1416 divided by 180. You have to calculate from here, from this part. Yes, all of you are required to calculate. And let me know the result. For the next math, I will show the different way. Okay, both the ways you have to know. Okay, can you do it?
Assalamu sir.
Islam. I am telling you, please let me know the result. No, you're not. Sorry, 3? Not getting you.
Sir,
55 decimal
0.9759.
0.9759
959.
radian. Approximately, you're right. Approximately. Okay. But for the next math, I am going to do it by another way. You see, 33, 22, 11. Question number 3.
8.1
33,
है sir.
yes. 22 minute, 11 second. What will you do in the same way? 33 degree plus 22 minute plus 11 second. That is 11 by 60 minute. Right? That means here 60 second equals to 1 minute. Now you see, you divide 11 by 60. Can you please let me know the result? What is the result? 11 by 60.
0.1833.
33 degree, 12 minute, 0.18.
33.
Is there anything? No.
So there is 3333.
There is 3 threes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I mean 1.18333, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you have to do like this: 33 degree, 22.18333 minute. That means 33 degree plus 22.18333 degrees. Because we know 60 minute equals to 1 degree. Then please calculate it again. What will be the result? 33 degree plus, let me know.
Sir, 0.3697.
Wait. So you can write at a time 33 point 0 point
Yes,
at
sir.
0 point, then
Sir, 3697.
3697, then
The 22166.
if you omit any of the values, then you may not get the appropriate answer. Okay, then we can just multiply it 3697 22 166. 1 degree equals to what? Pi radian by 180. Pi radian by 180, and we all know that pi is 3.1416. Now, what will you do? You just put the value of pi here and calculate and get the result. Let me know. I don't know, you the students have tendency not to use calculator. Take out calculator.
Sir, can you explain the last two steps?
From this to this.
No. Yes, sir.
Very easy and simple. Its result is 0.3697 and it has been added with 33.
Oh.
Its results have been added with 33 degree.
Yes, sir.
Now, 1 degree, it is degree. So 1 degree equals to what? Pi by 180 radian. So I have multiplied to convert it into radian from degree. Okay, just let me know. If you don't use the calculator, then it has been very impossible for me.
Sir, 0.5824 approx.
0.58, then?
So 12884.
Okay, that's good. Radian. So it is the answer, okay?
So we convert.
Yes, we convert the degrees into radian.
Yes,
Now, you see the previous one and this one. For this math, you have to calculate 3 times, but for the previous math, you calculate it for only 1 time. So it is up to you the way you will follow. Now, I am going to the next math, question number 2.1. Then 2.1, okay? It is vice versa math. You have to express radian in degrees. You are given 8 pi by 13 radian. You have to express it into degree. Can you do it? Vice versa math. Here, we'll write down in this way, you see. Here we'll write down pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi. Okay. So what will we do? 8 pi by 13 into 180 degree by pi. Pi will be omitted. So 8 into 180 degree by 13. Please calculate it and let me know. Here pi will be omitted from both the numerator and denominator. Is it? Now can you calculate?
Sir, 110.769 degree.
Just wait. You are getting here again 110 point
0.769 degree.
Dear students, it is not the answer again. But remember one thing. In your calculator screen, you are going to see this, right? That day I told you this sign. Can you remember? Just now you operate this sign. You just operate this sign. Let me know. 110 degree. If you don't have this operation in your calculator, you just write down answer. Answer equal. You will get this. Then you just operate this function. Hello.
Yes, sir. So can you explain that again, sir? Why
Actually,
did
I am being fed up. Don't mind, please. It has been very impossible for me. Just one of you use this calculator. One of you, just one of you. What I'm telling, please let me know. Just go with me. If you cannot use, if you don't know how to use the calculator, it is up to you. You just divide this. You will get this value.
769?
You will get this value. Use the calculator. You will get this value.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
just operate this function.
Sir, 110
You
degrees.
just press the
40
button. 110 degree
46 minutes
then
and 8.4 seconds.
8 point.
4 seconds.
This is the answer.
Sir, 8.47 na, sir. 8.4, sir.
This is the answer.
Oh. But, sir, how did you get the 180 degree by pi?
Can you see?
Oh, pi theta equals 180 degrees, so 1 theta equals there. Oh, okay, sir.
Being a student of class 9, you don't know how to use the calculator. And again I am telling you to take out the calculator. Question number 2. 1.3177 radian. 1.3177. What is 1 radian? 180 degree by pi. 180 degree by pi. Put the value of pi. 1.3177 into 180 by 3.1416. Use the calculator. $75 point. What is the result?
So it said syntax error for 1. So let me try again.
Sir, 75
Sir,
degree 30
75
minutes.
degree, 29 minutes, 24 second.
75 degree, 29 minute.
24 second.
54.5 seconds.
Sir,
Here, 54.5 seconds here.
Yes, sir.
Now you see, it is done. Not a matter. Can you remember what today's first maths was? 75 degree 30 minute. It was our first math today. And there the answer was 1.3177. Can you remember, please? Now you see, vice versa math is given. Now it is 75 degree. You see, it is almost, very near to be 60 seconds. It is more than 30 seconds. So 1 will be added here. So 29 plus 1, that is 30 minute. After 0.5, what we do normally? Suppose 10.567. What you write? 10.57, right? In this way we write. 1 has been added to 6. So for degree, it is after 30 seconds because it is 10. So it is taken 5. But for degree, you have to calculate below 30 seconds or after 30 seconds. Okay. For 10, it is 5, but for 60, it is 30. So it is more than 30. For this, 1 has been added, approximately. Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, you did this math. Number 3. 0.9759. 0.9759 radian. Do it. It is for you. Your answer will be 55 degree, 54 minute, 53 seconds. Approximately. Do it and let me know. Because in question number 2 of 1, you did this math. Okay? I am not waiting for your calculator.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, this is the answer.
We have done a lot of maths on pi. What? It is pi. What is pi? Who can tell me? Pi is what?
the ratio
To
of
express the ratio circle.
Pi is, write down, non-repeating, non-repeating. Okay? Pi is non-terminating. That is, pi is non-finishing.
Sir, the answer of 3 of 2 will be 55 degree, 55 minutes. Because
No,
53.82 is very near to.
maybe, but perhaps it is not, because we did that math. Anyway, you calculate again. So pi is non-repeating, non-terminating, non-finishing. Okay? Write down what I'm writing. Pi is an irrational number. Irrational number. Okay? Actually, the ratio of circumference and diameter of the same circle is equal to pi. Pi is irrational because pi cannot be expressed as the product of two numbers. We cannot express pi, and none can express pi as the product of two numbers. Okay, so it is an irrational number. Actually, in supercomputer, if we want to find the value of pi, we'll get after 3. I mean, we get 5 trillions. I mean, digit after point. Okay, but none can tell what will be the next digit. Okay, none can tell what will be the next digit. Anyway, I think all of you know it. Circumference by diameter, right? Is it equals to what? Pi. I told you, right? Talk to me. The ratio of circumference and diameter of the same circle is pi. So we all know that diameter is twice the radius. Diameter is what? Twice the radius. That means from here we can write down C for circumference and D for diameter. We can write down C equals to 2 pi r. So circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Okay. Now you see.
So C by 2r equals a pi. এটা পরের স্টেপটা কি ছিল স্যার? সামি আইমান আস্তোষ আমরা বল।
হ্যালো,
হ্যাঁ, এই যে পরের স্টেপটা কি ছিল? C by 2r equals a pi. এটা
আরে ভাই
পরের
আমিও তো লিখতে পারি নাই।
সামি আছে ভাই কেউ বল।
C is
হ্যালো
equal to
আইমান।
All,
C is
all.
equal to 2 pi r.
ওকে ওকে ঠিক আছে।
Formula লিখে
Okay,
দিতে।
let me know what happened. Okay, you see. I gave you time to copy, but you didn't. Anyway, actually, you see, please. Have you heard the name of Albert Einstein?
Yes, sir.
What is his date of birth? 14 March. Do you know the date of death of Hawking, Stephen Hawking? It is also 14 March. Now, we have tendency, you know, we have tendency to, in our computer, we have tendency to write down the month at first. Suppose today is what? What is the date today? 20 July. But in computer, you'll say 07/20/2020. Am I right?
Yes, sir. It's saying right now.
I mean, it is month. Okay, it is month, then day, then year. But normally we are habituated to write down the date like this. Okay, in this way, we are habituated to write down. But in computer, you'll see at first month. Okay, then day, then year. Okay, I think I've got me right. So 14 March, if we want to write down it.
Sir, isn't the death of Stephen Hawking seen?
I'm going to tell you, please. It is the date of birth of Albert Einstein. It is the date of death of Stephen Hawking. Now, we can write here 3/14, like something. We can write here 3/14, this date. Okay, month is at first. So, if it is written 3.14, if it is written 3.14, I mean the first 3 digits of pi, the value of pi. You see, pi day is 14 March, pi day. Albert Einstein celebrated his birthday with pi or pi day? I think you're getting me right.
Yes, sir.
So what is the pi day? Worldwide, the pi day is celebrated on 14 March. I think you have got me right. And how it came? Like this, 14 March, 3 4 by 14. That is 3.14. The first 3 digits of pi. Can you please let me know 14 March, what is the time? Who can tell me? 14 March, what is the time? Can you
So,
please, okay,
time. Sir.
1, just let me know, 1:59 p.m. It is the time. Now you can tell me why it is. Okay, very good. 14 March. 14 March equals to what? 3.14. This is 159. I have written the first 6 digits of pi. You can use the calculator, please. You will get it. Please use the calculator. You just write down the, operate pi equal to in calculator. You will get this first 6 digits, right? That means 14th March at 1:59 p.m. Okay. Every year, the Pi Day is celebrated, internationally. You have got me?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Again, you see,
But sir, why did the 1.59 p.m. How did the 1.59 came in?
okay,
PM.
I have no answer, but if it was taken on 1:59 a.m., then you would ask me why it is not p.m. Anyway, so have got me? I really don't know why it is p.m. Anyway, you see again, but the ideal Pi Day was celebrated, you know when? You see, if it is written 3.14, 14 March, okay? I'm writing the date 3/14/15. 15 means 2015. 2015 at 9:26:53. 9 hours 26 minutes 53 seconds. Can you write down again or operate the pi in your calculator? All of you, please talk to me.
Sir, let me try, sir.
Oh my God, just you write operate pi is equal to what? Calculator will talk.
So oh no, sir, there are 3.14.
14, 2015 year. 1415, then it is 9, then it is what, 26?
54. Okay.
54,
Why didn't
because you know why 54? Because suppose it is 9. Suppose example I'm giving you. So 1 has been added here.
Yes, sir.
For
Further
this-
numbers. Yes, sir.
Yes, you're right. So it is what? 53.
50 is a 3. Yes, sir.
So you are getting here, you see, it was the ideal date of birth of pi. 14th March 2015 at 9 hours 26 minutes 53 seconds.
Sir,
Okay, yes.
sir, actually, when we divide circumference by diameter, then we get pi.
Actually, if we multiply the diameter, C by D equals to what? Pi. Okay, if we multiply diameter by pi, then we'll get C equals to D into pi.
Sir, I understood that, but yeah, it is also true that if we divide circumference by diameter, then we get pi.
Of course.
South
I've
Sir,
written
Pacific,
that.
sir.
Sir, it means that either circumference or diameter is an irrational number.
Diameter cannot be because it's a straight line.
Yes.
Okay, so we can easily find it with
Yes,
the help of a scale. Okay.
Then
But a circular portion, it is impossible. Okay, you can take a polygon. I mean, to find the value of pi, actually, it is a long history. Archimedes, it is also called the Archimedes constant. Okay, Archimedes first time, okay, figured out pi. So it is also called Archimedes constant. Anyway, do you have any circular, I mean, any substance or any object at your home?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. You cannot find the diameter, okay? Can you find? You cannot find. If you want to find it, you have to break it, right? Can you determine the diameter of your, I mean, what can I say? The diameter of the spherical anything? You cannot. Okay, anyway, number 2, suppose you can. Then you will see if anyhow the diameter is 7. Okay, anyhow diameter is 7. Then you will see that its circumference will be very near to be 22, but not exactly. Will be very near to be 22. That means 22 by 7. 22 by 7. That means 22 by 7 equals to what?
3.1428.
3.14
28.
28, then 5.
57143. Yes, आपने सर आगे करते सर.
Yes, because you know it is repeated. It is terminated. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So okay, so for this it is not an irrational number. It can be written like this: 3.142857. It can be written like this. That means it will be terminated. It will be repeated. Okay. So it's not an irrational number. At the very beginning of pi, telling you pi, I told you that pi is non-repeating. Pi is non-terminating, but it is repeated here. So 22 by 7 is not the exact value of pi, though the first 3 digits, we get it. Can you let me know z equals to what in physics?
9.8.
9.8, but
It
it
is an
varies,
average.
right? It varies, right?
Yes, sir. It can be 9.78, 9.8.
9.78. Is it
Yes, sir.
9.81 like this?
Yes, sir.
Then also it has more values. Can you please tell me what is the maximum value?
9.3.
9.8.
So 9.80665.
No, it cannot be the maximum.
9.8.
832, sir. 832 may be the maximum.
I don't agree with you.
9.89, sir. 9.89.
9.89 or 9.88 or 9.87 like this. Okay. Okay. Can you please get the square root of this?
Sir, pi.
So 97.341. Huh?
Sir,
You get the
about
square root. About pi, right?
3.14165.
Right. About
So
pi.
how sir?
I don't know. Anyway,
Sir, because it is like.
okay, we told a lot of about pi, regarding pi. Okay, so actually, after getting pi to the scientist, by the scientist, the branches of mathematics and physics have been expanded a lot. Because after getting pi or value of pi or approximate value of pi, I mean, what happened, you know, the scientists were able to determine the area of a circle, the circumference of a circle, okay, then, or in a sphere. any ellipse or any hemisphere, everything, a lot of cylinder, okay, then a sphere, everything, then cone. I mean, for a lot of, even it is possible to determine the area of Earth, the circumference of the Earth. Even it is possible to determine, I mean, the circumference of a river. Okay, everything, okay, it is possible by finding or getting the value of pi. Anyway, we are going to do question number 2. Okay. If we express an angle by d degree, suppose this is an angle. Okay, some of you is telling that it is d degree. You see, someone is telling it is d degree. Very good, not a matter. And some other is telling no, it is r radian. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Suppose I have taka 1, but I can tell it I have 100 paisa. Can I tell it? Talk to me.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Or I have $1. Okay. You are telling no, sir. You have taka. Suppose what is the value? 82. I don't know exactly. You are telling sir you have
82.5.
you are telling the sir you have 82 taka. Actually, what I am going to show you, only one angle. The amount is same. The angle is same. But there are two ways in radian and that is in hexadecimal system. Okay, the angle has been expressed, right? So what should we do? Write down here. We know 180 degree is equal to what? Pi radian. Then 1 degree equal to pi radian by 180. Then it is d degree. Therefore, d degree equals to d into pi radian by 180. Right? It is given in the question that d degree is equal to r radian. What is given? D degree equals to r radian. So what's our d degree? You write down d into pi radian by 180 is equal to r radian. That I told you an equation must have equal unit in both the sides. Otherwise, it is not an equation. That means here the different, but they are equal in their values. Because we write down 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. We write down, okay, because they are equal for this. Anyway, radian will be omitted. So d into pi by 180 is equal to r. Now, as per the requirement of the proof, we can write down what they have done. They have taken this pi to the right hand side. So, well, d by 180 is equal to r by pi. I have divided both the sides by pi. And we have got it. Have you copied it? Pi and pi everywhere. Okay, it is pi. So we must know what will you do on the pi day?
Sir, eat pie.
Yes, or you can bake pi, or you can gift anyone anything in the shape of pi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, or you can walk 3.14 kilometer on the pi day. or you can jog, or you can run 3.14 kilometer. And I do. Anyway, question number 3. The radius of a wheel is 2 meter 3 centimeter. You see what is given? Radius of a wheel is it is given 2 meter 3 centimeter. 2 meter 3 centimeter. What should we do? Let me know. 2 meter 3 centimeter means what? 3 by 100 meter. Is it? Because 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. You all know it. You all know it. That means 2.0. Can you please calculate?
0.03.
Is it? So what is your circumference? 2 pi r?
Yes, sir.
Now can you find the value? 2 into 3.1416 into 2.03 meter is equal to calculator.
12.754896.
Maybe because calculator is with you or you are with the calculator.
Yes, I
Now-
found the value using calculator, sir.
Yes. Now going to question number 4. Have you copied it? Okay. Harder
So
than
it-
this.
So it
Yes.
is C, sir. 2 pi r आगे.
हाँ,
2 pi r.
C for circumference.
Okay, sir. So it erase करना, sir. Deletion नहीं.
Question number 4. The diameter of the wheel of a car is 0.84 meter. Diameter 0.84 meter diameter. Very good. What is radius? Radius equals to what? 0.42 meter. Radius is half the diameter.
Yes,
Talk
sir.
to me.
Yes, sir.
Radius is half the diameter. Very good. So what is the circumference? Circumference equals to what? Let me know. 2 pi r.
Yes, sir. 2 pi r.
Put the value.
2 into 3.1416 into 0.42.
2 into 3.1416 into
0.42.
0.42 meter.
Yes, sir.
Calculator.
Sir, 2.64. 2.64.
2.64 then.
Sir, पूरा value लिखबो, sir.
Of course.
2.638944.
2.638944.
ও স্যার আমাদের
Meter.
ফুল ভ্যালু না দিলে কি স্যার মাস কেটে দিবে?
Not that you will not get the appropriate or accurate answer.
Oh.
Okay, it is the circumference. This type of math you did in class 8. You see, a wheel revolves one time. What is meant by this? Suppose this is a marker. It turns one time means what? It was here like this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Not turns, actually it travels a distance equal to its length. But for a wheel, actually when it revolves one time, it means it travels a distance equal to its circumference. You write down. Okay. When a wheel revolves one time, then it travels a distance equal to its circumference. Have you got me or not? Suppose it is a wheel. It travels on time means it will be like this. That means the length of its circumference. Actually, it travels a distance which is equal to the length of its circumference. Are you getting me or not?
Yes, sir.
It is
Sir,
told, yes.
sir, sir, then while traveling in a car, we can never cross a distance equal to 2 kilometers. Can we?
Distance equal to 2 kilometers.
Yes,
I mean,
sir. I think we can travel a distance equal to 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers, like an integer number, as
yes, you're right. But yes, you're right.
circumference is.
You will get you will get about 10 maths in general mathematics like this. Okay. In general mathematics, exercise 16.3, you'll get this type of math. Okay. You have to go to 2.1 kilometer. Then the diameter of the front wheel and the back wheel are given. Okay. Then you have to find how many times the front wheel will turn more than that of the back wheel. Okay. This type of question you will get in your general mathematics. Actually, then there it was written, suppose their answer would be 100.012 times it turns. So actually we will not get this. We'll take only 100 times. Okay. As pi is not a fixed value. Okay. Fixed, that means not a rational value. Anyway, so it is written here, per second the wheel makes 6 revolutions. Write down. Therefore, it is the important part. In per second, that means 1 second, it is given. It is given. Okay, write down. Therefore, in 1 second, the wheel travels. It is written 6 times. 6 times means what? This is 1 time. So 6 times means what? Can you please let me know? 6 into 2.638944 meter. Please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
For 1 time, it is this meter. In the question, it is told 6 times. So 6 into this, right? And time is given 1 second. It is 1 second. Now, can you please convert it into kilometer per hour? Can you do it? Perhaps you cannot. In
Sir, just divide it by you have to divide it.
1 hour, you write down in 1 hour or 3600 seconds. 1 hour means what? 3600 seconds, 60 into 60. The wheel travels. The wheel travels 6 into 2.638944 into 3600 meter. If you don't understand, please talk to me. I have just, it is 1 second. You please try to understand. This is 1 second. And this is 3600 seconds. So what will be? It is more than this. So it will be multiplied. Nothing beside it. Now you have to you have to write like this. 6 into 2.6389
5700
Wait. Meter. So we are going to convert it into kilometer, dividing by 1000, because we like to tell someone about the speed of car in kilometer per hour, right? So we have expressed it into kilometer, and it is written here hour, 1 hour. So now can you please calculate it?
So 57.001190.
Not getting you properly. 50.
So 57 point
57 point
57.001190
0011.
approximately, right? Is it? Therefore, and you write down what you like to write, not a matter. Therefore, the speed of the car, 57, it is kilometer, it is 1 hour, so by hour, approximately. Have you done it? Very easy and simple calculation. Go to question number 5. The ratio of the angles of a triangle are given in the ratio 2:5:3. What is the ratio? 2:5:3. That day I did this type of math. Write down, let the angles be 2x radian, 5x radian, and 3x radian, right? We know the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. What I told you, or pi radian. Can you remember, please? If from today onward, I'll not write this line. From today onward, we'll forget this. We have to write this. Okay? That means we can write down 2x plus 5x plus 3x equals to pi. From here, you find the value of pi, value of x. X equals to what? Pi by 10. It is told here to determine the smallest and the largest angles. Have you got it? Or you will tell me that, sir, I have not got it. 2 plus 5, 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. So x equals to pi by 10. You have to determine the largest angle and the smallest angle. Therefore, the smallest angle, what is the smallest angle here? Can you please let me know? It is the smallest angle. That is 2x radian. What is the value of x? The value of x is pi by 10. Pi by 10. This is radian. This is radian. So we can write here pi radian by 5. And the largest angle here is what? 5x radian. So we can write down it is 5x radian, 5 into pi by 10 radian. That is pi by 2. Are you getting it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the next math. Go to question number 6. The angles of a triangle are in, you read it, arithmetical progression. In class 8, you were taught in exercise 1. AP. Do you know what is AP? Arithmetical progression. Okay. Actually, I can give you some examples. Suppose 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. They are in arithmetical progression because they have the same difference between two consecutive numbers. Same difference always. This is number 1. Number 2, if we get the average of these two, what is the average of these two? 1 and 5, what is the average?
3,
Plus
sir.
9. Yes. Average means what? 1 plus 5 by 2 equals to 3. Okay. So average of 1 and 5 is 3, right? So if we go to find the average of, suppose 3 numbers are given, we'll get the mid one. Or average of 3 and 7, 5. Is it? 3 plus 7 equals to 10 by 2 equals to 5. Average of 5 and 9 is 14 by 2, that is 7. Actually, I'm showing you because suppose 6, you see. Write down, let the smallest angle be x radian. Okay. Therefore, the largest angle is twice x radian. Therefore, the rest of what? This is the first one. This is the last one. That means 3 by 2. Okay, now you cannot understand. It is x radian. It is 2x radian. How we can find this? As it is in arithmetic progression, then we can find this one by its average, by their average. That is this plus this by 2. I told you. Can you remember please the example? 1 plus 3 plus 5. Here it is the largest one. Okay. So we can get this one if it is missing. So we can get this, not a matter, by the average of 1 and 5. Have you got me? By the average of 1 and 5, we can get it. That means we can get it by the average of this and this. And this is the way how I have found. So write down according to the question, we can write down x plus 2x plus 3 by 2x equals to pi. Sum of the three angles is equal to pi. It is 3x plus 3 by 2x equals to pi. 2 3s are 9 plus 3. Can you please calculate? 3 to the 6, it is 9x. 9x equals to 2 pi. So we are getting x equals to, you will get the LCM here. Okay. We have found x equals to 2 pi by 9. Then what will we do? You see, you write down. Therefore, after that write down, therefore, the smallest angle equals to x radian. X radian means what? The smallest angle was written as by x radian. X equals to what? 2 pi by 9. So we can write here 2 pi by 9 radian. The largest angle is 2x radian. 2x radian. What is meant by this 2x radian? We'll multiply it by 2. That means 2 into 2 pi by 9 radian. So if we go for multiplying it, we'll get 4 pi by 9 radian. Okay. Now this one, the rest of the angles, it is written 3 by 2x radian. 3 by 2x radian. What is the value of x? 2 pi by 9 radian. Now if we go for calculating, we'll get pi by 3 radian. Now it is a question from my side to you all. Can you please let me know what are the angles now? The required angles. Therefore, the required angles. Tell me. Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir. The
Yes,
required.
sir.
Let me know.
Sir, the smallest angle is 2 pi by 9.
2 pi by 9 radian. You're right. Then this one.
Then this one
4
is
No.
theta, 4
pi.
4 pi by 9 radian. No, sir.
I think you have got me.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You have to show that they are in arithmetic progression, where the largest angle is this one and the smallest angle is this one, and is twice is this one, and it is the angle that you found. Okay. Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
By
Yes, sir.
the average of these two, you can get this. Are you getting me? By the average of these two, you can get this one. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I am going to question number 7. Do you have time or it is about to be ended? Hello?
Sir.
About when? Around, sir. 8 o'clock.
Uh-huh.
একটা করে দেন স্যার একটু
Sir.
Now I'll go to the maths of different dimension today.
মানে স্যার নিউ টপিকস এ ধরতে চাচ্ছেন স্যার
Now this exercise, but a little bit different. Anyway, you just get it at first. Suppose it's very easy and simple that I told you. It is, yes, there is the length of the arc. Okay. This is the angle theta. This is R. Can you please let me know what is the relation between SR and theta? S equals to R theta. Is it okay? A is equals to r theta. This is the formula, but I will prove it
Sir,
not today because at the end you will not come to understand the proof. Okay. This is the formula A is equals to r theta. Now I am going to do a math on this and let me know. Someone is telling
sir, S is equal to R theta. Sir,
S equals to r theta. Let me know.
sir, the theta may be in degree or radian.
Theta, of course, in radian.
Sir, can the arc like be
Let me know. It is S
integer? Can it be integer?
r theta. Wait, theta is in radian. No, it cannot be. Yes, it can be. Suppose theta is in radian. Okay, so it needs pi. Okay, but we'll take the approximate value. Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
We'll take where there is pi, then you will never get any integer unless you let it. Okay, you see. Then question number 7. Please try to understand. This is Earth. Okay. Here, suppose Dhaka and Chittagong. It is Dhaka. Okay. And it is Chittagong. Okay, two places are on the surface of the Earth. Now, if anybody is sent from Dhaka to the center of the Earth, it is the center of the Earth. Okay. And if something is sent to the center of the Earth from Chittagong, then these two straight lines will make an angle of 5 degrees. This is the angle of 5 degrees. I mean, Dhaka and Chittagong, okay, those two places make an angle of 5 degrees at the center of the Earth. Okay? Please try to understand.
Sir,
Let me.
sir, is Earth a perfect circle or a perfect sphere? Is Earth a circle? So it is like a oval shape.
It's okay, but listen. Please listen to me. Dhaka and Chittagong, they are not a far distance, right? Okay, considering the Earth. So, what is the shape of the Earth? So it is a circle. Okay, it is bent like this, right? Is it? Is it or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
we are in the what? It is divided. It is east. It is west. It is north. It is south. So Dhaka and Chittagong, they are in the eastern portion. Suppose here this type. Suppose this type, Dhaka and Chittagong. So they have the same radius, almost same. Okay, but you could ask me that question. Suppose one is here. Please try to understand. And one is here. Then their radii will not be same. Have you got me? Then their radii will not be same. Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
And these are here R is greater than R. But here Dhaka and Chittagong, considering or regarding the Earth, okay, they are very near to be Dhaka and Chittagong. I am not telling something Antarctica and Dhaka, not that, okay? Anyway, the radius of the Earth is given as by 6440 kilometer. Okay. So you write down here angle at the center of the earth made by Dhaka and Chittagong, comma, theta equals to 5 degree. But we all know that it is to be converted into radian. That means 5 degree equals to what? Let me know. Degree is to be converted into radian. What is the formula? Talk to me. Pi by 180 radian. 1 degree equals to what?
So 1
Pi
degree
by
is by
pi by 180 radian.
180 radian. Yes.
Okay, you can calculate it or you cannot calculate. It is up to you. If we calculate, then what is the result? Pi by 36 radian. It is up to you that you will calculate or you will not calculate. Okay, talk to me, all of you. Have you got this part?
Yes, sir.
And you have about 10 maths for the exercise 8.1 or 10, not 10, about 6 or 7 maths. And every math has the same starting to express theta in terms of radian. Okay, in the same way. Now, what is to find here? CD? Is it? We have to find the distance between Dhaka and Chittagong. Talk to me. We have to find the distance between Dhaka and Chittagong. So we can write here, we know S equals to R theta. What is R? 6440 kilometer. What is theta? Pi by 36. It is radian, but it is kilometer. If there is any unit, okay, so no radian, it is kilometer. Please try to understand. S for distance here, okay, arc. That means this is the distance between, it is S. S equals to DC or CD. Can you please calculate it? Please talk to me.
Sir, 562 kilometer.
562.
Yes, sir.
Point.
Sir, this is the approximate.
In the book, the point is given, I mean decimal. 561 or what?
Sir,
561.997333.
561.99733.
Kilometer. So we can write down, okay, 562, not a meter, never mind. Kilometer approximately. I mean, this is not the wrong information.